In this video, I'm going to check out this fill stick that I got from Amazon. I'll put a link below. It's used instead of putty to fill in holes for like baseboards. And supposedly you don't have to let it dry. You really don't have to paint it. So we'll see how it works. I'm going to use this on some holes in my baseboard. So all I'm going to do is take it, just push it in. And it filled the hole. Now it's time to scrape it with a plastic card, or rub it with a cloth. See if the scraper takes it off flush. Use a cloth here. There you go. It's definitely a different white than my baseboard, so I'm going to have to go back and touch it up, but it seems to be level, and it's a lot better than putty. Putty usually shrinks and you have to go back and apply a second coat. So I did find that if you do it faster and it kind of warms it up, it works a lot better. So you kind of just rub it up and down. Seems like maybe if you could warm it, or just the friction makes it warm, seems to fill in the holes better. So that's it. I did this whole closet in just a few minutes. I'll go back with the cloth and just rub it smooth. There's no dry time, and you can paint over it if it doesn't match your color exactly.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.